That's the one I want to focus on is what you just said is when done right. That one I can't say that any better myself. This is one of the greatest hobbies in the world. And when we do it the right way, there's rewards beyond any monetary value, really. It's a feeling, it's a joy that you get, whether with family, all those types of things. Now, to bring it back, let's reel it in a little bit here. We mentioned the Kobe, we mentioned, the Honus Wagner, we mentioned the Mantle. Let's focus a little bit more on today. So we said that we'll mention Ohtani, right? Let's talk a little bit about him. Now, I want to break down what we do here at Leahi when we're identifying a player, right? Anybody can identify Ohtani is a generational talent. That's not the hard part. The hard part for us, or the decisions that we make, is breaking down a player's market. So we have the high end, the mid end, and the low end, right? So 3 different market segments for a specific player.